An unboxing of the Kobalt leaf blower. This is the tool only, so the battery is not in this box because I have already multiple batteries for this one. And so it says quantity 2, which is interesting. It says quantity 2. So this is the 40 volt version. And let's get this guy open and let's see how they packed it in here and stuff. So far the tape looks pretty decent. All right, well, interesting how they packed it in here. So look at how they did that. All right, you got a box. You've got a big, huge empty space. Did they think that was not going to move around in the box? Well, you know, I would think it's going to move around in the box, being that, you know, that's all there was to it. Okay, whatever. Let's grab this thing out. That. Don't need that. Alright, so here's what we got. Now I'm using placemats, hopefully I'm not going to scratch my table. Alright, so here's what we have. We have the actual box. And just says that. There's the part number for it. So, looking for the part number? Yeah. Alright. So this is it. Pop this little dude open. Sure, it's going to be super simple. Super simple. Alright. Got the attachment to the end. Looks like it's got a little spring-loaded dilly bobber there. Don't know the durability yet until we actually try it. And the unit wrapped in plastic. Okay. And then a manual. The manual. It is a brushless blower. Okay. Nothing else in the box. Get rid of that. Okay, that's all done. And so, here we go. This is it. And let's lower this dude down so you can see what's going on a little better. Okay. Oh, and I have my Kobalt knife too. So, let's close up my knife. Don't need that anymore, but it's a great knife. Love it. Manual. Okay, what's there really to manual? You put the attachment on, you put the battery in, you probably do the, let's see, this is the cruise control. Okay, there we go. I guess it holds the throttle down. I can feel the throttle. It actually pushed it down. So when you push that, the throttle goes down. So I guess that's, you can just let it kind of do its thing. All right. Yeah, we're not gonna go through the manual. All right, I'm gonna go get a battery. Let's plug this thing in. Unless we can blow around in the house. Be right back. All right, I am back. So, this is a battery that I've had for years, actually. So it's the 40 volt 4.0, and extended run it says, and it should be completely powered up. It is. All right. So this should just plug right on in. All right, 120 mile per hour. Look at that. Okay, it's gonna blow everything around in the house probably. Okay. Connected up. All right, it is connected. Disconnect. You just push that button, probably slide it back out. I think I need 2 hands to do that easily. Okay, nothing really too exciting here. It's just got this big intake right there, big fan down inside there. Can't really see it down there, but it's a big fan. All right, well, let's kick in the battery. All right, so the tab goes to the upside right there, snaps in, and it should run. My screen just went off. Okay, let's see. All right. Oh man, it's blowing stuff around. So here, I'll raise this up so you can see blowing my blinds. Okay, it's blowing the light. Okay. So there is apparently a turbo button. Let's see what that does. All right. Really powerful. Ooh, man, there is wind like blowing around in the house. Probably gonna blow all the dust around too. Okay, well, anyways, so that seemed like it works. So let's push this down, see what this does. Yeah, hold it. And let go of it. And let it run. Okay. Well, that is it in a nutshell. So here we go. We got the Kobalt 40 volt. All right, we'll see if it works. So it's model number KLB1040B-03. This was the version that didn't have the battery because I already had 3 of these batteries. I didn't need another one, so no reason to go with it, you know, from there. All right. It is raining outside. Of course, everything is wet. So I'm not going to mow today. Maybe I'll get a chance to mow in a couple of days. We'll have to see how that goes. And then I can attach it to the end of this video. And if I did it, you'll see it right now, later. The grass dried out. The rain finally stopped. And so we're getting out the Kobalt 40 volt lawnmower. We're going to do some mowing and then we're going to try out that leaf blower. So stay tuned. Let's blow this thing off with this. Yeah, let's do it. Done. Well, so my first impression of this thing, I already took the battery out, it's gone. It works really well, has plenty of power, and I don't have that much to do here at my house. So, I mean, it works fine by my standards, so, you know, hey, I like it. No sense to return it or anything crazy like that. And wow, we got a storm out there somewhere. All right, that's it for now, guys. Enjoy. Mowed the lawn. It looks really good.